Here is the strut and here is the bearing, everyone. Keep in mind, once again, okay, so this, see, two sides, make sure you place it like this on top, okay, there, so you can see this rubber seal on top. All right, then you're gonna put the saddle, I call it saddle, and it's gonna be lined up. You see this little white mark there? That's my little saddle. All right, with a white mark on the side. I'll place it right over here. Keep in mind that this bolt, you see that bolt's got a, it's got a cut on one side, so it's got a flat surface on one side. So first of all, you're gonna position it so you can grab that, and then you can rotate it to line up. Then you can rotate it to line up like this, you see? This is how it's gonna get done. Alrighty. And now I'll be able to put the bolt in there. Sorry, bolt nut. By the way, I would recommend to get brand new nuts. This nuts, you see it's a lock nut. It's got this rubber ring on the inside. $5 each, but you know what? I would recommend to get it. All right, since I paid $70 for each bearing, I might as well pay additional $5 to replace the nut. Okay. Okay, let me put this together.